Now the movement we're seeing here is eagle to wedge formation change. What does that mean?
So you'll see the two aircraft on the outside of the formation slip back into what's called echelon on 2 and 3 to form a wedge shape.
Now the Roulettes are 55 years old this year, and over that time you might have seen the team fly the PC-9, the Mackie, but today obviously the Pilatus PC-21, which is our Air Force training aircraft. So every pilot that joins the Australian Defence Force will